Alright, we just put a Baja mini bike together. Huh? Kind of cool. Let's go see what all these dumbasses are doing. Charmin and Chamber. There you go. Huh?
I did get you though.
That's Amber.
Yeah, we got you.
Look.
Here you go.
Could you stop?
And that's Chad ripping it up.
Jump the curb!
It's pretty badass actually. It's got a 97cc 4-stroke on it. I totally unscrewed the governor. It's gonna rock. The funny thing is Chad's single right now. I'm gonna post this fucking shit on YouTube. He's gonna look like a fag. Good job, Chad! Woo! I think he just hit us nuts.
You don't have to worry about kids now.
Chad is definitely going to be the coolest 25-year-old kid in the neighborhood. That's for sure.
Using his hands.
Jump the curb, come on, man. Ah, what a fag.
I need a lift? You gonna ride me on the handlebars?
Here, check this out. You're the cameraman.
Dude, I almost busted
We're
ass.
videotaping this shit. Whoa, 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 whoa. Before you hit me in the face, let's turn it on.
Yeah, it landed on me once.
Hold on. It's got plenty of gas. Hey, watch out. Swing it like a...
Oh, I'm not getting on. We put the directional tire
No,
backwards.
it's mad bunny hop. Some wheelie action.
This thing is so badass, dude. You're next. Dude, it's rough on there. I almost busted my ass. I tried to take my hat off.
Yeah.
Start wobbling. I was like, oh, fuck. You like my hand signal?
Yeah.
That's how you get her done.
Did you shut it off or did it die?
Oh, I shut it off. I actually know how to ride the thing. Baja mini bike. Right there. For all you guys following my body shop stuff here, man, I'm going to do some little doodlebug flames. Maybe a little ladybug on it or something. There's our Monday off.
Look, stop with you.